Terms of movement. Movements of the limbs and other parts of the human body. At joints, bones, cartilage, articulating. Flexion, decreasing the angle between bones, parts of the human body. Flexion of elbow joints, anteriorly bending. Dorsiflexion, flexion at ankle joint, walking up, lifting the toes off the ground. Plantar flexion, the foot toes towards the plantar surface, standing on your toes. Extension, increasing the angle between the bones or parts of the body. Occurs in a posterior direction. Extension, beyond the normal limit, or hyperextension, and also overextension. Abduction, away from median plane. Adduction, towards the median plane. Rotation, revolving of heart of the body around. Medial rotation, anterior surface of a limb to the median plane. Lateral rotation, anterior surface away from the median plane. Circumduction, circular movement, combination, flexion, extension, abduction. Opposition, movement by which the pad of the first digit is brought to another digit pad. Reposition, movement of the first digit from the position of opposition back to its normal anatomical position. Protrusion, movement anteriorly or called forward, occurs in protruding the mandible, such as sticking the chin out. Retrusion is movement posteriorly, or known as backwards, protruding the mandible. Protraction and retraction, which is anterior and posterior movements of the shoulder. Elevation moves a part superiorly, elevating the shoulder when shrugging. Depression moves a part inferiorly, depressing the shoulders when standing at ease. Eversion moves the sole of the foot away from the median plane. Inversion moves the sole of the foot towards the median plane. Pronation for arm and hand rotates the radius medially around its longitudinal axis, such as part of the hand faces posteriorly, dorsum faces anteriorly. Supination for arm and hand that rotates the radius laterally around its longitudinal axis. Dorsum of the hand faces posteriorly and the palm faces anteriorly. Structure of terms. Anatomy, as descriptive, requires names of body, of the human body. Terms indicating shape, size, location, and function.